Welcome to another GNCRC video. Today, guys, we have a package from RC All-Wheel Drive. For the guys that don't know, they're one of my sponsors. I've been working with them for about, I guess, a little bit over a year now. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this so you guys can see what we have. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go over everything that I have. You guys saw it, but I'm gonna go over it in detail so you know what's what. So this is an overdrive gear for the SCX24. We have a set of shocks. You guys know I run these same shocks. I'm almost sure this is the same set I run on my SCX24 mass chassis. And they have been great. So we also have a steering link and servo with servo mount. So I want to try the servo out. We're gonna give it a shot. That's for the SCX24 as well. And we have the adjustable weight wheels. These are 1.0s. So the way these are set up, they're really cool. These brass weights inside of here, they come out so you can adjust the weight with those. And these are the 1.0s, like I said. They have other sizes. We also have a set of the same wheels. These come in 1.9 and 2.2. I'm pretty sure these are the 2.2s. I didn't really see the marking on the box, but these are the Cyberwheelz as well. And again, these weights all come out, so you can adjust the weight. We're gonna put this on my Element Trail Walker. Can't wait to try them out because I do need some more weight on that Trail Walker. So you're probably asking yourself what parts I'm gonna use these SCX24 parts for. I say SCX24, but actually, you could use these on the Traxxas TRX4 or anything that uses that same size hub as well. FMS, you know, and the list goes on and on. But we're gonna put it on this SCX24 C10 that I bought for my nephew. Bought it for him, and then I had to buy it back from him in order to get it. But this one is completely stock. We're gonna do a build on this particular one. And as of right now, we're gonna be using all the RC All-Wheel Drive parts, like I say, the servo with the steering link. We're probably gonna get some more links as well. We're gonna use the springs, the overdrive gear, and we're gonna use these wheels. Don't know what tires yet. I got a bunch of tires. I just hadn't had a chance to use them yet. So once again, I'd like to thank RC All-Wheel Drive for these parts. Guys, make sure you stay tuned because we will be doing some upgrades pretty soon. Look for more videos, and make sure you guys check out this giveaway that I'm about to post up now. Go ahead and make sure you get registered for this giveaway. Thank you once again, RC All-Wheel Drive. Also, thank you guys. You guys make these videos possible. If it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't be doing this. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.